This row is ready for harvest. Make sure the cut is clean at the base.
Okay, I will be careful with the younger plants.
Make sure the gel side is up on this one.
Okay, the next crate is ready over here.
Pallet 34B, scanned and verified. Ready for shipment.
Try bringing that guide in just a fraction. How's that look? Perfect, the flow is steady now.
We have an alert on the trimming alignment.
I see it. Adjusting the parameters now.
We're seeing optimal flow through the glass-lined pipes at this pressure.
The filtration process is holding steady, and we can proceed with the batch transfer.
Flow rate stabilizing at 200 milliliters per minute.
Membrane pressure is optimal.
The temperature is holding steady at 20 degrees.
Good. The agitator seems to be performing within parameters.
Pressure holding steady at 1500 bar.
Noted. The viscosity looks good. The thermal reading on sensor 4 is stable at 95 Celsius.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal for the aloe juice run.
The cooling curve is dropping exactly as projected.
Excellent. I'll make a note of the flow rate and the final delta.
The alignment is spot on since the last adjustment.
Yes, much better consistency across the board.
The high-speed conveyor system utilizes automated guide rails to ensure perfect alignment, processing thousands of bottles every hour.
Keep an eye on the alignment near the glue applicators. Looks steady. We're running at full capacity now.
The alignment on that last pallet was perfect.
Agreed. We are running at 98% efficiency right now.
Sensor array 3 is reading a steady 4.2 degrees Celsius.
Optimal range confirmed. Log the data and move to the next aisle.
The throughput on aisle 4 is lagging again.
I see the bottleneck. Adjusting the flow rate now.
This pallet needs to be on truck 4B by non.
Got it. I'll prioritize the transfer now.
The next pallet is ready for bay 4.
Confirmed. AGV7 is en route.
Seal number 4R7 checked and verified. You are cleared for departure. Drive safely.
Send the next pallet down this conveyor. We're clear for intake.
Acknowledged. Moving it now.
Here we see the high-speed sorter in action, a ballad of machinery ensuring efficient delivery to retail destinations worldwide.
Pallet 7 is finalized. The count matches the manifest.
Roger that. I've updated the system and printed the tag. Okay, pallet 34B scanned. 72 cases confirmed.
Matches the manifest here. Move it to aisle 5.
Everything is approved. Here is your receipt. Have a great day.